Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. It is release day for the June House of the Month. So if you're new to my channel, every 15th of the month we are doing a new house block. I have both the Quilty and the Stitchy versions available. So today we're releasing the June block. It's super cute. You can find the link for both of these patterns in my shop at store.confessionsofahomeschooler.com and just search for June House of the Month, but I will also have them linked below. Okay, let's take a look at the June cross stitch. So here is the June cross stitch piece. I think it turned out really cute. I of course went with that beautiful pink house with the orange accents and the really light blue accents. I thought they just looked so happy and summery. I have a cherry quilt hanging on our fence right there, a little cherry down here on the end, and then a cherry tree up above with some fun happy birds in the sky. This one, just like all of my other cross stitch House of the Months, is stitched on Witchelt Beautiful Beige 14 count Aida. They finish it at roughly 3.5 by 4.5, and then however you want to finish them is up to you. I put mine on this cute little paddle board. This is from Hobby Lobby, and here is the item number right here. I'm not sure if they still have them because I did get them at the beginning of the year and we're now halfway through. This one also is finished just like the others. So I put magnets on this, I put washers on these pieces, and then I can just swap them out and reuse the paddle every month. I did have this adorable pink gingham in my stash. I believe this was from a Bonnie and Camille line that I had in my stash for quite a while. And then I did finish it just the same way I finished the other ones, with that 1/4 inch rickrack around the edge and 2 pieces of sticky board. So the stitching is on one piece and then the fabric is on another piece. I also have a finishing video available here on YouTube to show you how to finish these pieces if you're curious. I also wanted to share this fun little item with you. I found this at Michael's the other day, so you may actually still be able to find it. It's just in their summer section, and it was painted this cute aqua color. It's just a little mini chair, and it actually is the perfect size to set these on. Now they do slide around a little bit, so but I thought it was just such a cute way to display your cross stitch. So if you're looking for something a little bit more unique and you don't like the paddle, something like this would be a really cute way to do it. I also had some of my mini charms stacked on here. I was working on some small granny squares and I had them stacked on here. It looked absolutely adorable. So just finding fun ways to display stuff in your room, I think just makes it extra cheery. So I wanted to share this with you as well. As with all my cross stitch pieces, they are stitched using DMC floss, and all that information is available in the pattern, as well as the finishing instructions and the fabric and everything that I used to finish it the way that I did. But of course you guys can finish them however you like. Okay, let's take a look at the quilting version. So this one is so fun as well. Here is our June Quilty House of the Month, and I tried to make it similar to the cross stitch. So you've got that taller house and then a cute cherry quilt hanging off the side with a little baby bird sitting on top. And you might recognize this cherry block. This is actually the same block used in my chairberry quilt. And if I can, I'll insert a picture of that here for you. It had strawberries and cherries, and I thought it was such a cute block. Let's go ahead and use it for the June house. I'm a little bit wishing I would have done a lighter pink for that quilt so that those cherries popped a little bit more. So I would advise you to maybe do that instead of using the color that I chose, because I feel like it kind of blended in a lot. And then we do have the June on the bottom as well. The backing is a print I've had in my stash for a while. This is Bonnie and Camille Happy Go Lucky, and it was lined from several years ago, so I've just been kind of hoarding it, and I thought it just matched and would be really fun to put on here. The green binding is, I believe it's a fig tree print. That could have also come from my Bonnie and Camille collection, but it looks like a fig tree green to me. And then I also added this happy little heart label on the back. This came from one of my Sew Sampler boxes, and it has a heart on one side and a handmade on the other. And then as you can see on the backing here, I just did a 2-inch cross hatch quilting. I did this on my Juki TL2000 that you see me do all my tutorials on. And I don't like doing straight line quilting because it's sort of a little bit boring, but I love the way it looks when it's done. And so every now and then I'll just do a little cross hatch stitch on these smaller projects. And then here they are together so you can see them up close. I try to make them similar. Obviously you can do a little bit more with the cross stitch. I think I say that every month, but I think they both turned out really cute. I hope you are enjoying these House of the Month blocks. I'm having a lot of fun with them. They're so much fun to put together, and I also think they're great stash busters because a lot of the pieces are small and you just don't need that much of them. For almost every house, you need about a half a yard of background fabric, and then you can put together the main parts with not a whole lot of fabric. So they're great projects to just dig in your stash and see if you can put some of those smaller pieces to good use. So that's going to be it for the June House of the Month. Like I said, you can get them in my store. I will also link them below. And I think I say this every time, they're currently only available in PDF. Once I have all the houses released, I will bundle them up into one bundle and make that available in PDF and in print for, I know there's several of you that are waiting for the print version. So thank you for being patient. In the meantime, I hope you're enjoying putting the blocks together. If you are sewing along, make sure to share your projects using hashtag Quilty House of the Month or hashtag Stitchy House of the Month so I can see what you make. You can also tag me at Erica Arndt on Instagram and Confessions of a Homeschooler on Facebook. I also have a Sew With Me group on Facebook that a lot of people have been posting in, and those are for our Sew With Me blocks, but I was thinking if you wanted, you could probably share your house blocks in there as well. Or if there's enough interest, maybe I should create a House of the Month group and you guys can share all your projects in there. So let me know in the comments below if you think I should create a new group just for our House of the Month blocks. You can put quilting and stitchy houses in there so we can all see your makes. That's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. You can also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time. I was working on some small what are they called? Hey, anything else about the June? They're so much fun to put together, and also I think they're great stash busters. Oh my word. They're so much fun to put together, and I think they're also great stash busters. Okay. They're so much fun together, and this is the second time I recorded this, so yeah. So they're great projects to, oh my gosh.